Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we have completed the lesson. We are having Geography Standard 7, Chapter 6, Chapter Air Around Us. And today we will have exercise. So let's start exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, which of the following energy transfers is in the form of short waves? Option A. Insolation. B. Terrestrial radiation. C. Nuclear radiation. D. Ionosations. Answer option D. Ionosations. Second, the ozone making change in composition and temperature is called a dice. Option A. Pause. B. Tropopause. C. Atmosphere. D. Ion. Answer option B. Tropopause. C. The troposphere has the largest concentration of dyes. Option A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Water vapor. D. Atom. Answer option B. Nitrogen. Fourth, in the normal lapse rate of temperature dies. Option A. Temperature increases with altitudes. B. Temperature decreases with altitudes. C. Temperature remains constant everywhere. D. Temperature keeps fluctuating every moment. Answer option B. Temperature decreases with altitudes. 5. Clouds in the mesosphere are formed due to the presence of dyes. Option A. Moisture. B. Smoke. C. Cosmic dust. D. Ultraviolet rays. Answer option C. Cosmic dust. B. Fill in the blanks. Layer of gases which envelops Earth is called dice. Answer atmosphere. Second, air contains a variable amount of dyes, about 1 to 4% at least. Answer water vapor. Third, the upper limit of mesosphere is called the dyes. Answer mesopause. Fourth, the layer of atmosphere where airplanes fly is called dyes. Answer stratosphere. 5. Meteors burn on entering the atmosphere due to air resistance in the presence of dyes. Answer some oxygen. Exercise C. Give one word for each of the following. First, one of the gases present in atmosphere in a very small amount. Answer ozone. Second, weather phenomena take place in this layer of atmosphere. Answer troposphere. Third, the layer of air that saves us from ultraviolet rays. Answer ozone. 4. Radio waves are reflected back to Earth from this layer of atmosphere? Answer: thermosphere. 5. Gravitational pull is minimum in this layer. Answer: exosphere. Exercise D. Give reason. First, the atmosphere makes life possible on Earth. Answer: oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Some of the important gases are present in the atmosphere, which makes an ideal combination to make life possible on the Earth. Second, the mesosphere has high night shining clouds. Answer: the mesosphere has high night shining clouds which have been formed due to the presence of cosmic dust. Third, the temperature decreases with altitudes in the atmosphere. Answer: due to the gravitational pull, the density of air is very dense at the Earth's surface. Therefore, temperature decreases with altitudes in the atmosphere. 4. The air resisting over the poles is dense and heavy. Answer: due to the low temperature at the poles, the air condenses, and because of this, the air resisting over the poles is dense and heavy. 5. Jet planes move in the stratosphere. Answer: as the stratosphere is free from clouds, thunder, and lightning, the atmospheric conditions make suitable jet planes to fly. Exercise A. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, name the important gases of the atmosphere. Answer: some of the important gases of the atmosphere are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, which make an ideal combination to make life possible on Earth. Second, name two inert gases of the atmosphere. Answer: two inert gases of the atmosphere are neon and helium. Third, explain the importance of the stratosphere. Answer: the stratosphere extends to a height of 50 km from the surface of the Earth. There is a gas called ozone which absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Also, as the atmosphere is free from clouds, thunder, and lightning, the atmosphere conditions are ideal for the large jet planes to fly. Fourth, what is global warming? What are its effects? Answer: global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounded off the Earth's surface. Global warming stretches ecosystems through temperature rises, water shortages, increased fire threats, droughts, weed and pest invasions. 5. What is the greenhouse effect? Which gases are responsible for it? Answer: the greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs and emits radiant energy within the thermal infrared range. The gases which are responsible for it are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. Okay children, so these are the question answers of this lesson. Please write the question answer with the objectives and submit the copy for correction. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.